on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be trying the viral Biscoff no-bake cheesecake. The ingredients that we're going to need today are a can of cherry pie filling, 1 container of no-bake Philadelphia cheesecake, and I also have a package of Biscoff cookies. Now I'm going to be making mini Biscoff cheesecakes, and they're going to be for Valentine's Day. Okay guys, so this is our cherry pie filling, of course our cheesecake, our Biscoff cookies. I also crushed some of the Biscoff cookies, and I'm going to be using these aluminum mini cake pans. They come with a clear top, so they're Valentine themed pans. Okay guys, so I took the cheesecake and I put it into the foil pan, and all you want to do is just like smooth it out once you get it filled up. Next, you're going to break your cookies into threes, and we're just going to push it down into the cheesecake. Okay guys, once you're done placing your cookies into your cheesecake, we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of our Biscoff crumbs over top. Okay, so now we're going to take our cherry filling, and we're just going to place it over top. Okay guys, look how pretty they are. So now we're going to place them in our refrigerator for 1 hour. Okay guys, it's been an hour and our Biscoff cheesecakes are now out of the refrigerator. As you can see, you could put the clear casing over top, and everyone can have their own single serving of this. This is great to make on Valentine's Day. So now it's time to give it a taste. Okay guys, this is really good, especially if you have a sweet tooth. It's really good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the saucy chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?